last time we did comments, and in this episode we are going to do variables. Okay, what are variables? We say variables are containers for storing data values. So in C++, there are different types of variables defined with different keywords. Let's say, for example, if we have int stores integers, let's say whole numbers without decimals, such as 1 2 3 or minus 200. And we also have a double. This double stores floating point numbers with decimals, such as 9.99 or negative 2.2 or any decimals that we know. And we have character. So this character stores a single characters, such as an A or a B. And we have a string. With this string, it stores text, such as store strings in a double quote, such as end it. Then we have bool. With this bool, it stores values with two states, either true or false, 1 or 0, or on or off. So to explain it further, we have the declaring of variables. So example, you can say type, then variable name, is equal to value. So in this case, this type is actually the same as an int, a double, a character, a string, or a bool. And the variable name is actually something like, let's say we have int x, we have double C, we have character M, and we have a string K, and we have bool, then so this X, C, M, k, my bool, they are all variable name, and these variable names are used to store values, and this equal sign is used for assignment of the values. So to assign values to this, we use equal sign, then let's say 23. Since we know this one is a float, so it becomes 32.44. Then with our character stores only character, so use equal to assignment. So m will be equal to, let's say, letter A. This is a character and this is the value, so this m will store this letter A, and this is a string. So to store this k, whatever we want to store into this k, we say equal to, then we bring a quote, so in this case this is a string will be stored into k, and you have a bool which can either be true or false. So in this case we can either write true, so this my bool will store this value called true, or we can use false. So this my bool is now storing the value false, and these are some of the example here. So in here we have the int, which are the type, the variable which x, and the double, which is the type, and the variable name, which is y, and the character up to the end. So after we stored all these values, and in case if you want to display this value on the screen, you can use cout, our insertion operator, then we pick each name, bring it here, we bring another, we pick the name of the double, bring it here, we take the variable name of the string character, we pick the string, place it here, we will pick the bool, place it here. So now if you run this, then we end it with a semicolon. Now if you run this program, it will first display x, which is 23, then display 32 points, then display the letter A, then display this is a string, then it will display false. But since there is no end line in between, they will paralling each other. So let's try and run it and see. So in here it's saying there's an error, so let's check the error. It's saying int x has already been declared. So in this case, and that brings us to the problem. You can create an x here, then come and recreate it again, because this thing is overriding this, so therefore to generate an error. So in this case, if you don't want any problem, so let's comment it. then try run it again. So here too we have z. Okay, here we have an equal sign in between, so we take it out. So try to run it again. So in here too we didn't end it with a semicolon, we end it, then we try again. So here it's saying that we are already declaring, so we can declare two same variable name twice. So therefore let's comment it. Then try to run our program. So now program has run successfully. So let's compile it and run and see the outcome. So you can see that it has displayed all the things are just displayed. So you can see from here to here it has displayed the 23, then gave us 32.5, and it gave us the a, which is the character, and this is a string, which is the string, and the 0, which is the false. Okay, thank you. In our next episode we'll be looking at C++ user input, how to take input from the user. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel